Ringing experiments. Woody stems, which are the stems of woody plants, have an outer protective layer of bark, and on the inside of this bark we have a layer of phloem extending all around the stem. And on the inside of the phloem layer we have the xylem. We perform the ringing experiment, and at the start we remove a section of the outer layer, which is the bark and the phloem, from the circumference of the woody stem while still leaving it attached to the rest of the plant. We wait for a while, and then, after a while, the region of the stem immediately above the missing ring will swell.
We take samples of the liquid that has accumulated in this swollen region, and we find that it's rich in sugars and dissolved organic substances. Below this ring, non-photosynthetic regions will wither and die. However, the regions above this ring will continue to grow. So this tells us that because we removed the phloem region, the sugars accumulated in the areas above the ring, which led to the swelling, and we interrupted the flow of sugars to the region below the ring, which caused the death of the tissues in this region. So we draw a conclusion from the ringing experiment that the phloem is the tissue responsible for translocating sugars in plants and not the xylem. We did not remove the xylem to see these results. We kept the xylem and removed the phloem and saw these results.